Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G Shock GMA-S140M. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our hands are properly aligned so they'll display the correct time when we set it. To do this, we're going to press and hold our forward button. We'll hear a beep and then we'll see sub start flashing up above. This is now controlling this sub dial. We want this hand to be pointing directly up at 50. So to do this, we're going to press forward. We can only move it one click at a time. Once that's properly aligned, we'll simply press mode, and then we'll see 000 start flashing. So we want our minute and hour hands to be pointing at directly 12 o'clock. This one we can do reverse and forward. Once it's at 12 o'clock, we'll simply press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will display the correct time as well. Now we're ready to go ahead and set our digital time. So to do this, we're going to press and hold adjust. And we'll hear the watch beep, and now we'll start flashing. This is going to choose our time zone, which we can adjust with forward and reverse. Press mode to enter our next setting, which is daylight savings, off or on. Mode for our next setting, which is 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode for our next setting, which is adjusting our seconds. We can zero this with the forward. Mode for our next setting, which is adjusting our hour. It's currently 11 a.m. Mode for our next setting, which is to adjust our minute, 57. Mode for our next setting, which is to set our year, 2025. Mode for our next setting, which is our month, May. Mode for our next setting, which is the day. And mode for our final setting, which is LT, which is our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Once we're done with all that, we simply press adjust, and now our hands will set themselves to the correct time. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.